In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a drop-down menu in Shopify. First of all, navigate to the online store, and then we navigate to navigation. And as you can see right here, I have my main menu, I have my footer menu, and I have a custom account main menu. I click on the main menu because I want to add something to my catalog. As you can see right here, I have the catalog, and I want it to, when I hold the mouse, the cursor over catalog, it drops down with all the product categories that I have on my catalog. So I click on add menu item and I drag it under catalog. And then I take the label, let's just call this sneakers, and then I can link it to my products or my collections. Right now I don't have any collections, so I'm just going to link it to my test product like that. Then I can click on save. And when you head down into catalog and you go down to sneakers and you select sneakers, you will be directed to my test 2 product. But if you want to do this to a collection, just change this to collection. After this, we can head back to the Shopify home tab and we are done.